Alright, we're here in Concord, and I have just decided to stop here and videotape this. It's a nice little project because it features Sawmill Creek doors, both matching entry doors. That's a Sawmill Creek entry door, custom with a transom, insulated glass, stained grade western red cedar. Builder did a very nice job matching the detail. You have a second entry door right there. Pretty much a traditional look with the 9-light top section. And it all integrates very nicely with the matching overhead doors. I'm here today because we have two replacement doors. You can see the damage on the bottom of both doors. Property was attempted to be vandalized about a month and a half ago. Someone decided the best way in was to try to back their car through, or their truck through the door. Kind of regrettable. Anyway, just dropped off two replacement doors so that they may be stained to match the originals, and we'll get a call in about a week and a half to come out and make this property look fabulous. Very nice.